everyone, welcome back to Learn Flutter. Today we are going to learn one of the most commonly used widgets in Flutter, the container widget. The container is a box that can hold other widgets, apply styling, alignment, size, margin, and more. First we read about container. Is a container. A container is a versatile widget used to contain or wrap another widget and apply decorations like padding, margin, color, border, size, alignment, and transformations. You will use it almost everywhere in your Flutter app. Basic syntax: container. After that, we use its property child. Container properties explained. Property description: width, height, controls the size, color, sets background color, padding, adds space inside the container, margin adds space outside the container, alignment aligns the child widget, decoration adds border, gradients, shape, shadows, transform applies rotation, scaling, translation, constraints, controls min, max, width, and height. Now we move to the code. Here I use scaffold. Bar. In body I take widget center, child, container, container height 200, width 200, color blue accent, alignment center, child, text. This is a container widget. Its styling, color white, font size 20, font weight bold. Let's see the result. I reload the app. This is our container widget. Save it. You can see it that padding take inside the space of the container. Now we use margin. Margin take the space around the container. We assume that like I remove center widget. This space is margin. If I comment margin, you can see that there is no space around the container. Now I uncomment margin. Now you will see that space around the container display. Alignment is used to align the text in the center. I can use other alignment like top right. Save it. You can see that. After that, I use the property of its decoration. box decoration. Keeping in mind that when we use the decoration property, color should be take in box decoration format. Now we use the property border radius. I take border radius circular. Its radius is 16. Save. This is the border radius. You can use other properties like only top left border radius circular radius 20. This is our result. After that we use border property border all. This is border of the container. After that I use other property like box shadow. This is the shadow of the container. I increase the offset and blur radius. Now it display clearly. Now we use another properties of container like rotation, transform, transform, matrix, matrix for dot rotation 0 gradient 1.0 we display no anything because I do not use color widget. Now you can see this is a transform of the container. I change the value like 0.1. You can see that These are the main properties of the container that we use in our Flutter application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Flutter content. Drop a content if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!